All right, in this video, I am explaining to you why the derivative of arctangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared, and I'm going to draw the picture. This is a question I've taken a couple of times over the past few weeks, and so I'm just going to record a video as to why this is true. And, you know, the theme of today's lesson is actually going to be miscellaneous antiderivatives. And so, you know, they're going to involve some arc trigs, so I figured I might as well come in with this. Okay, so the proof is going to be, I'm going to start off with the arc whose tangent is x. I'm going to draw you the picture of it. Okay, so I've got an arc, and its tangent is x over 1. Right, and you know, you draw the old-fashioned pre-cal drawing. There's my arc. That's theta. Yeah, and it's the arc whose tangent is x. Okay, so it's x over 1. And I think what I want to do is, instead of calling this theta, I think I want to call it y, if memory serves. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that tangent of y is equal to x over 1. That's what it means for y to equal the arctangent of x. Okay, and then I'm going to also mention that if this is 1 and that's x, it's 1 squared plus x squared equals this squared. Okay, just going to throw that in there. And then I'm going to take the derivative implicitly, right? Because if two things are equal, then their derivatives with respect to x will also be equal. So secant squared y, so derivative with respect to x of both sides, secant squared y dy dx is going to be equal to the derivative of x over 1 is just going to be 1. So that means I could divide both sides by secant squared y and say dy dx, which is the derivative of y equals arctangent x, right, with respect to x, is going to be 1 over secant squared, or just cosine squared of y. And cosine of y, maybe I'll do this over here. Cosine of y is adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over that square root of 1 plus x squared, or x squared plus 1. And I see that when I square this, I'm going to get that 1 over 1 plus x squared that I set out to show in the first place. Okay, and that is why the derivative of arctangent of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared.